Foundation single crochet is a great alternative to starting a project with a foundation chain and then a row of single crochets. Here's how it goes. I'm going to chain 2 loosely, and then I will insert my hook into the second chain from my hook. So right in this chain right here, I want to insert my hook under 2 loops of my chain. You can see that a chain sort of has 3 parts. It has this lower part, the upper part, and then it has kind of a strand coming out of it that becomes the lower part of the next chain. I want to go just above that bottom strand. And when I do that, I've got 2 strands on my hook. So I'm going to go in there, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now for a regular single crochet, we would typically yarn over and pull through both of those loops. But first I need to do a chain. So I'm going to yarn over and chain 1. See that chain I created there? I like to put my thumb on that chain for 2 reasons. I'm going to cover it up because I want to, 1, keep it from getting too short, and 2, I want to be able to find it again. So if I don't move my thumb, I know that that chain is underneath my thumb. So I'm pinching that while I yarn over and finish my single crochet. Now you can't tell it, but I've done a chain underneath my single crochet. I'm going to move my thumb and you can see that chain. You can see sort of 3 parts to it. There's a left edge, the left loop, the right loop, and then a loop kind of coming out of it that also forms the base of the single crochet. I'm going to put my hook right in here. When I do that, I've got 2 loops going over my hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to pull it up pretty high. You see I don't want it down here like this. I want to pull it up pretty high. Then I need to do my chain 1. I'm going to cover that with my thumb and then yarn over and finish my single crochet. When I uncover it, there's my chain. I'll go in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, put your thumb on it so you don't lose it, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Continue to work foundation single crochet stitches until you have as many stitches as you need for row 1 of your project. You'll know you're on the right track if when you look at the bottom of your row you see a series of V's going along the bottom as well as along the top. If you'd like more crochet instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.